I feel as though olive oil cakes are seriously underrated. This lemon olive oil cake is so light yet still moist and incredibly soft. The olive oil gives the cake the most beautiful texture and a fruity richness, so it's important to use a high quality extra virgin olive oil. This cake is incredibly simple to make. Just whisk together your wet ingredients, fold in the dry, and it's ready to pop straight in the oven. The lemon curd is just as easy and comes together in minutes on the stove. And why stop with the cake? I also used olive oil in the lemon curd, which is an absolute game changer. It makes the curd silky, rich, and perfectly balanced. Topped with mascarpone and lemon curd, this cake is bright, fresh, and full of flavour.